Here are some steps that can be taken to implement WCAG 2.1 Guideline 2.2. Identify any timed events on your website, such as timed tests, form submissions, or session timeouts. Provide an option for users to extend the time limit on timed events, or to turn off the timing mechanism altogether. Provide a warning before a timed event, such as a session timeout, so that users have a chance to save their work and extend the session if needed. Allow users to adjust the timing of timed events, such as the duration of a slideshow or the time before a session times out. Test your website with users who may need extra time to complete timed events, and make adjustments as needed. Regularly review and test your website for compliance with Guideline 2.2 and update it as needed. Make sure that your development team is aware of the guidelines and how to implement them. It's important to note that implementing Guideline 2.2 may require some development effort, but the benefits to users with cognitive or motor impairments will be well worth it.